Today, we're in Abbey Park, one of the most historic and peaceful green spaces in Leicester. Located just north of the city centre, this park sits along the River Soar, offering a quiet escape from the surrounding urban life. But beyond its open lawns and gardens, there is something here that feels very different. Hidden within the park are the remains of an ancient abbey. These are the ruins of Leicester Abbey, a religious house founded in the 12th century. For centuries, this abbey was an important place of worship, learning, and community life. Monks once lived and worked here, following a daily rhythm of prayer, study, and service. Today, only fragments remain, stone walls, foundations, and pathways, but they still carry a strong sense of the past. As you walk through the ruins, you begin to notice something unusual. The layout feels almost like a maze. Low stone walls stretch in different directions, forming corridors, corners, and open sections. There is no single clear path. Instead, you find yourself wandering, turning, exploring, and discovering. It's easy to imagine how large and complex this abbey once was. And somehow, that sense of mystery still lingers. Near the ruins, you'll find a statue of Cardinal Thomas Wolsey. Wolsey was one of the most powerful figures in England during the reign of King Henry VIII. After falling from power, he travelled north but became ill, and spent his final days here at Leicester Abbey. He died here in 1530. Standing near the quiet remains of the abbey, his statue feels like a quiet reminder of how closely history is tied to this place. What makes this place special is not just its history, but the way it blends into everyday life. People walk their dogs, families relax on the grass, and visitors pass through without always realizing what once stood here. And yet, just a few steps away, you are surrounded by centuries of history. The ruins don't overwhelm you with scale. Instead, they invite you to slow down, to walk, to look closely, and to imagine what once existed. The stone walls may be incomplete, but they still tell a story. As we continue walking, light and shadow move across the old stones, and the open sky above adds to the sense of calm. There's something quietly powerful about places like this, where history isn't locked away, but left open, for anyone to explore. Abbey Park is more than just a park. It's a place where past and present exist side by side. And sometimes, all it takes is a simple walk to feel that connection. If you ever find yourself in Leicester, this is a place worth visiting. Not just to see the ruins, but to experience the atmosphere they create.